Welcome in, guys. We are making a Christmas garland today, and I wanted to make a garland that looks designer without the designer price tag. So I'm trying to make a nice full but budget friendly garland. So I started off with a 14-foot garland, and then I placed another 9-foot garland on the inside, and I'm getting those intertwined, using the pine ties to tie them together, fluffing it out real nice and make it big. And this is just to help the fullness, and also the 9-foot garland has lights in it, so it will have a little light to the garland as well. But I'm fluffing it out and tying it together. And then I have these two berry garlands that I got from Michael's, and I'm just going to get that tied into the garland as well. And in doing this, I'm just trying to attempt to add some color and also some fullness to the garland. So I'm getting that tied in just using the pine ties. And guys, I'm making this garland, I'm not gluing anything in or anything, because I want to be able to use this with various different decorations for different years. Now, I'm going in and making my bow with my M's bow maker, and the ribbon that I'm using is all budget friendly ribbon. I'm not using any designer ribbon or anything on this garland, and the ribbon that I'm using is all geared for outside use. So I'm getting my bow together, and I'm going to put it on the end. I didn't want it in the middle. I was thinking it'll look better on the end, so I'm going to place it on the end of the garland here. But first, we're going to come in with the ball garland, and also this is an attempt to make the garland nice and full and also add some color. So I'm going to just tie the ball garland in. Again, I'm not gluing anything down on this garland, but we're just going to tie the ball garland down in there, add some color. Y'all, I got a lot going on in the background. I have some company come in, and my daughter. But we got that tied down, and now I have these bell ornaments that I bought from Michael's as well. So the ball garland came from Michael's, and also some of the ribbon came from Michael's. And these ornaments that I have, these small bell ornaments, I got from Hobby Lobby. Again, I'm not trying to go overboard with buying stuff for the garland, because I'm trying to make it budget friendly. So most of the stuff is stuff that I found around the house that I had, including these sprays. I had these in the top of my tree, so I took them out of my tree actually, and I decided to use this in the garland. I didn't want to go back out to the stores, y'all. I just didn't want to do it. And I had these burgundy poinsettias that I bought from Hobby Lobby. So I'm just placing them throughout the garland to add some fullness and decorative, flair to it. I'm going to go in, and I'm actually going to cut off the ribbon that was on these bells, because the red, it just clashed too much. So I cut that off, but then I placed them all in the garland, and here this is how it looked. So now it's time to get it up. Now everything is falling out of the garland as I put it up, but that's easy. That's an easy fix. So I went earlier and I drilled some hooks into the top of my door, and so now I'm just putting the garland on those hooks, and then I'm going in and using some zip ties to tie it onto the hooks to secure it. So here I am going in with the zip ties to secure it onto the hooks that I drilled in earlier. And actually putting this up was easier than I thought it was. I thought I was going to need some help, but I was actually able to do it myself. Now I'm zip tying them in to secure it so it doesn't just fall all over the place. And then I'm going to go back and add in everything that fell off, and here it is. There are some things that I would do different, including my bow, but that it's going to have to stay like that for this year. But I did my mailbox, and here it is. Tell me what you think. And also make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.